physiology at Southgate College, and he has a specialty in orthopedic surgery. He has 7 years of experience with us, and he's definitely an avid soccer fan. And so we're both looking forward to the World Cup. He's here today to offer us a professional insight into the subject of erectile dysfunction, and this will include the latest updates, definitions, and surgical techniques involved. Please give a warm welcome for Dr. Macis.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction. I'm the one at the end with the very hot topic.
We all want to know.
Definitely, we all need the information because this information is going to be very vital and crucial to all of us at some point in time. And with the utmost respect and with the utmost professionalism we will embrace on this journey, I will try to keep the